I am sure you very well understood the introduction and the closure. What's left is how to fill in the body. Normally what we do is we directly pen down the body, so we run short of sentences and ideas. The best way to do any essay for that matter is to do a brain mapping. You just need to write the topic in the center, pull out branches and sub-branches. Here on the screen, I have done with the help of arrows. Just put down all your thoughts, as many as you can. If it is sub-thought of the same idea, put an extension arrow. Once this is all done, you just have to put numbers stating the order of your writing. Put in some sensories in your mapping based on the background. That's all. Just frame nice and beautiful sentences using starters, linkers, adjectives. The output you will get will surprise you first, then the reader. We will do an example. Now please look at the screen. First you create a rough plan with the title in the center and some arrows. Here in the green box I have mentioned the main thought, and in the yellow I have put the extra thoughts, the sensories, which I will elaborate. Here I have already mentioned the order of my essay with the numbers in blue, but you need to write the order of your essay the way you want to present it. First being, why did I need to go to the market? The reason being, it was a tradition in my house to buy things once in a week. I have also mentioned that the fridge was empty and mom managed this whole week with eggs. In the point number 2, I need to tell the reader the location of the market. Although I mentioned here that it is near a theatre or near my house, you can mention that it was closer to a station. The reason for being close to a station is for the goods to reach the market with ease. In point number 3, I have described the market scene. I have used sensories like the hawker screaming into my ear. Looks like a fair, and a cacophony. Cacophony means a mixture of unpleasant sound. Next I touched upon the vegetables and the fruits, how fresh, its pricing, and for the sensories I have described the colors of some vegetable, fruits, and also mentioned the water drops they spray by sprinkling water on them. Fifth, point number 5, that is your purchase. You need to mention it with the WH questions, that what you purchased, where you purchased, and how you purchased. And you should also mention about how your mom bargained and any funny experience that you had. A market is just not about wares, it's also about some attraction and entertainment, like the snack stall, especially the balloon man. Also lay emphasis on the aroma of the snacks. And finally I have put in 2 points, the likes and the dislike, which you would explain here. The likes being the interaction of the people, how happy the people are. Also mention the fair pricing, an opportunity for the rural to sell their wares in the urban. And in the dislikes you can mention about the unhealthy habits of people, spitting, keeping it unclean, full of flies, the stink, the dirt, the pungent odor, the aroma. All these things you can mention in your dislike. So students, you see, just with these points I can fill up a whole page. Once your brain mapping is done, writing a descriptive essay won't take you much time. There will be quality and there will be flow in your essay. Now please pay attention to this. In the next tab, I have attached 2 forms. I need you to write the descriptive essay as per the topic and submit it by Saturday. Thank you, and I really enjoyed teaching you.